This video will explain the difference between Google Pay and traditional banking apps. Here we are going to compare Google Pay, a digital payment app that uses UPI, traditional banking apps, the official mobile apps created by your bank. Both are used to send money, check balance, and make payments, but their safety systems work differently. First, we will see what is Google Pay. Google Pay is an app made by Google. It connects to your bank account using UPI, which is fast and secure. Google Pay itself does not store your money, it only helps you make payments from your bank account. Now we will see what is a traditional banking app. A banking app is created by your own bank, like SBI, HDFC, ICICI, Axis, etc. These apps allow you to check balance, transfer money, open fixed deposits, manage your account, and see your statements. Banking apps have direct access to your bank account. Now we will see Google Pay or banking apps, which is safer. To understand safety, we compare their security methods. First one is login security. Google Pay uses device lock, phone number verification, UPI PIN for payments. Banking apps use username and password, OTP, MPIN, or fingerprint. Which is safer? Both are strong, but banking apps use more login layers. Second one is payment security. Google Pay payments need UPI PIN, bank level verification, strong fraud detection. Banking apps payments need MPIN or OTP, direct confirmation from the bank. Which is safer? Both are equally safe for payments because all UPI transaction happens inside the bank, not inside the app. Third one is fraud protection. Google Pay provides a very strong fraud detection, warns if a transaction looks suspicious, alerts if a UPI ID is risky, blocks unsafe payments, checks for fake request. In case of banking apps, banks also give warnings, but fraud detection is usually less advanced than Google Pay. Which is safer? For fraud alerts, Google Pay is better. Fourth one is where money is stored. In case of Google Pay, money is not stored in the app. It stays in your bank and UPI moves it safely. In case of banking apps, money is also stays in the bank. The app is just an access point. Which is safer? Both are equally safe because money never stays in the app. Fifth one is risk of mistakes. In case of Google Pay, it is easy and quick to use, but speed can lead to sending money to the wrong person, approving wrong payment request. In case of banking apps, it is slower but more controlled. More steps reduce mistakes. Which is safer? Banking apps reduce mistakes because the process is slower. Sixth one is risk from scammers. Scammers trick users, not apps. They may ask for your UPI PIN, send fake links, call pretending to be bank officers. Google Pay shows strong warnings against scams. Banking apps provide warnings, but less aggressively. Which is safer? For scam warning, Google Pay is stronger. The final answer, which is safer? Both are safe, but in different ways. Google Pay safer for spotting scams and preventing fraud. Bank apps safer for detailed control and slower, careful banking. If your main concern is fraud protection, choose Google Pay. If your main concern is bank account control, choose your bank app. The summary is Google Pay is better at fraud detection, but traditional banking apps offer stronger login control. Both are safe as long as you never share your UPI PIN or OTP. Here you can see the summary of safety comparison we have discussed.